got Pete Lombardi and his pop over here checking out my horde. He wanted to see the DYT 4000 working. Sounds good. Put the PTO on. Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. This is a Honda HRX217 rear self-propelled lawnmower. Got this from Pete Lombardi. Everything's good, except he took it apart because bolt stripped for the magneto. While I could probably just put something in there and make it work, carburetor's gone, magneto's gone, whole top end's pretty much gone. Even though I do have parts to put it together, I don't think I'm going to. I'm going to take this engine apart and sell it for parts. Then I'm going to keep the deck around, and when I run into another Honda motor, I'll put it on this deck and it'll be good to go. Parts for this, when you disassemble, can fetch a pretty penny. Taking these Honda HRXs apart was really a pain. You couldn't just take four engine bolts off. Look at that. It was attached to another plate on the very bottom. Drive belt had to be looped over. This is the engaging of the self-propulsion. This bracket goes to the side of the engine, and this is the throttle with the kill switch. It was a pain. A real pain, seriously. It sucked, alright? Taking the engine apart was kind of easy because they're all 10mm bolts, right? It was a little sticky around the sump to the engine block. The sump I'm going to try to sell along with the dipstick. Clear this, you dipstick! And the governor and the oil slinger, oil pump, you know, along with the governor lever there. I'm going to try to sell that all at once. I'm sure some nut needs it. This one I'm going to chuck. This is the top block. Top block. And I'm not going to sell it because A, it's too heavy. B, I don't know if anybody wants it. And C, it's not perfect. The reason why it's not perfect is because it's you couldn't put a magneto on there because this is stripped. So that's why I'm going to chuck this. And I know it is aluminum and it's worth money, but trust me, not that much money. I took it to my local recycler. I had like 3 or 4 aluminum engine blocks. They gave me $5. Not even worth my time, trust me. So I'm just going to chuck it. I got some parts here to sell on eBay. I don't know how much I'll get for them. I doubt much, but here's a valve cover. Now the crankshaft I'll probably get some good money for. What's unusual about this one, I think, is this is the GCV190 engine, not the 160. The 160 is the most common. The 190, I believe, is stronger. Stronger than yesterday. Anyway, so I'm going to sell this one. I'm going to find out how much it's worth. I'm thinking that's a 190, right? You guys know Honda engines well. Correct me if I'm wrong, but GCV 160 is the most common. This is a 190. It's off of HRX217. I don't know too much about Hondas. I haven't had good luck with them. This is probably my 4th Honda. 4th or 5th. I'm going to sell the, a bulk of it. I'm just going to put it all together. Honda is one of the only ones that have a timing belt inside the engine. So I'll sell the timing belt, the valves, the these little things, whatever you call them, caps for the springs. Perfectly good piston too. I'm going to sell this piston. Piston, crankshaft. Rocker arms are good. See if some nut needs them. Camshaft. Plastic camshaft with compression release. Uh-oh. Got the muffler there. Side tins, which I doubt anybody would want. The muffler cover that says chaud. That's French. Je suis très chaud. Or je suis très chaud. Means I feel very hot. Merci. Oh, check this out, man. So this was on the bottom where the there's the blades. There's like a clutch on there. On top of that, here's the pulley, right? It was on top of here, like that. And there's like a PTO, man. Muy complicado. It's very complicated, man. I'll tell you right now. If you told me, hey, Henry, put that shit back together again. No way. No way will I be able to get this and that on here through there correctly. No way. It's very complicated. I'm glad I don't get many of these, and I'm not looking forward to if I do get a Honda engine for this. But it's a good deck, you know what I'm saying? It's perfect. Looks nice. You can tell the wheels look really nice, you know. Yeah, but I'll keep this deck in the backyard, you know. When I do run into another Honda engine, I'll shove it on there and sell it. I definitely can't throw that out. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. I went to a garage sale today. It wasn't a sale. It was just like, come to the garage and take whatever you want. So I picked up some, you know, rags and stuff, you know, bullcrap, jack stuff. But this was kind of cool. It's a electric whiteboard. These markers, you can write on them, right? And here's my to-do list, right, of things I have outstanding that I need to button up. Check this out. What? That's so cool. DYT 4000, red LT 1000, my Black Beauty daily driver, my orange Scots, my regular to-do list, my LTV 10, my GT 6000, and my Murray Ultra. So, you know, it's not like I don't have anything to do. I got plenty to do, you know what I'm saying? Woo! That's right, yeah! Hey guys, support my channel. Buy a sticker. Got the bumper sticker too. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.